Hi, my name's Cathy, and the Boston Bruin logo is something meaningful to me. My family and I are big hockey fans and have been Bruins fans for a long time. Everybody in my house plays hockey except for my husband, and as a reward, we'll be going to a Bruins game at the completion of this class in May. In regard to my simple data set, it consists of the number of goals scored by top 5 Bruin players in the last 6 years, from 2015 to 2020. The highest goal scorer was Marchand in 2015, and right now the highest in 2020, I should say, is Pasternak. To move my line chart to new chart set, I'm going to click on the chart, go to chart design, go to move chart, click on new sheet, change my name to chart 2, and click OK. In order to add something, I'm going to hit the green plus button. I'm going to add my data table. If I want to remove something, I'm going to click off chart title, and I don't have my title anymore. If I want to add a new chart style, I'm going to click on chart design, and I like this color format, and there you go. It's much brighter, my lines. Thank you, and have a good evening.